I have my phone here. See the back part's taken off. It's not working right now. I'll show you. Go ahead and turn it on. It's not really coming on at all. Okay, here it is. Alright, so it's going to do that. It's going to show that. And then, bam, nothing. It turned off again. And I can boot it back up. And same stuff. Okay, so I'm going to keep doing it. Anyway, I watched the video. I guess I take out the battery. I just want to smash it. So I'm going to just smash it because I'm angry. Just going to smash it. Then, I'm going to go ahead and put the battery back in. My power button is still stuck in there. It's still stuck in there, and I can't get it unstuck. I don't know what to do. It's making me very, very sad. Oh, look, I did the same dumb stuff again. You will pay for your insolence! Sorry. Oh, now it's just mocking me. So, alright, this time, last time, third time charm. Well, actually, I did it a bunch of times before the video, but I'm going to make this last one. I'm going to go HAM on this thing. I don't want to break it, so I'm just going to go HAM, but like small letters, like not capitalized. What? Oh, sorry, I'm really denting up my table. It's hard to do homework on here. Oh, it does it again, just to make fun of me. Just to make fun of me.